Hello, welcome back to Linux Wednesdays, where we look at Linux tips and tricks on a Wednesday. In this week's video, I'm going to show you how to install Python3 and Pycharm on your Linux machine. Now, Python3 is a programming language, and Pycharm is a bit like a word processor and spell checker for programming. It helps you out with your mistakes. I find that when I'm programming in Python3, there's a space where there shouldn't be a space, or the code's not lined up correctly, the program won't run, and Pycharm helps you eliminate that. So if we go into our terminal and we type in Python, we're going to get bash command not found. Now, to see if you've got Python3 installed, if you do a Python3 and the program runs. Now, mine's already installed. If you haven't got it installed, if you do a, and we're going to use Control D, do a sudo app-get install Python and then 3, and now it should install Python3. Mine won't install because I've already got it installed. Now you can check your version of Python3 minus and a capital B, and mine says Python 3.10.0, and we can do a man and then Python3 to read its manual page, general commands manual, and it tells you all about it there. If I just type in Python 3, we can start programming in Python3. We can do a print and do the bracket and close the bracket there. Print subscribe. It's definitely what we should do to this channel is subscribe. We press enter and it's going to print there, subscribe. But I find that if there's a space where there shouldn't be a space, code doesn't line up, then the program won't run. So if I exit this, do a Control D, and we go to this website here, jetbrains.com/Pycharm. We're going to click on download, so Python IDE for professional developers. You got professional, it works on the Bully Boy build box, Mac OS and Linux. So we're on Linux, so we're going to click on downloads. It's going to download pycharm-community-2021.3.tar.gz. I'm not going to download it because I've already downloaded it. And if I go to my downloads folder where I've downloaded it, you'll see all these folders here. So bin, help, JBR, lib, license plugin, build.txt, install.txt, and so on. You think, well, how do I get this installed? There's nothing there to run. If I go onto the terminal, downloads Pycharm, and then go to the bin directory, we do an ls, you'll see here we've got a load of sh files. The one we want to run is pycharm.sh. So we do a // and then pycharm.sh. And there we go, we're now running Pycharm in a GUI, not through the terminal. And we can start coding. Here we go, start coding. If this doesn't appear, just press on Python console and then it will appear. It says Python 3.8.10, which is probably what we're running here, this program. And we can do our print statement. You see there, we put the bracket in. It's also added the extra bracket at the end. We can do a hello. There you go, it's already added the extra bracket, saving on the type. We're going to press enter. It says hello. Now I can do age equals 32. And press enter. And it says that's an integer. I can do print age. There we just made an error. Print age. It says 32. If I did a print and then type and then age, press enter, it says class is an integer, because you see there it says special value integer. It won't print the age, it just tells you it's an integer. And if I put age equals 32, press enter, now do a print type age, you get class is a string, because in between there is a string. Now I can do a print age, and then we get 32. There we go, we've just installed Python3 on Linux, and we've also installed the Pycharm suite, and you have to do the /pycharm.sh every time you want to run it. You could create yourself a little desktop icon. Now if we go to this website, this one here, which I'll link in below. This has a book you can download, which I'm going to download at some point. I've read it on the website at the moment. I've got it on my phone or whatever. I've got it on the Mac. It says the Python Guide for Beginners, and this tells you everything you need to know about Python. You go down there, installing Python, running code, syntax, types, variables, and so on. User input, operation list, tuples, and all sorts. You've got loops there, modules, and so on, which I'm going to be reading. And the guy is actually on Twitter. So this guy here, Renan, is on Twitter, and I've tweeted him a few times. He's been retweeting my tweets. So if you start coding in Python, put it over on Twitter, hashtag the guy. Where's find his Twitter handle? They are twitter.com. Give him a hashtag. He's also on Instagram, and he's also on LinkedIn there. And that was how to install Python 3 and Pycharm on Linux. Well, I say thank you very much for watching this video, and happy coding. I'll see you in the next video.